Audio's going.
Okay.
Camera rolling.
No. I was waiting for the drunk.
I'm not drunk.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you just gotta try it, you know? Unless
It's very good. It tastes like a store-bought salsa.
I was gonna say you should bottle it and make it a salsa. Hey.
It's not my recipe.
Oh, never mind.
But recipes can't be trademarked.
Nope, that's a no-no. What's trademark? Like when you steal someone else's shit and
It's
like you
hard
do
to
it on your
explain.
own.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Like, I can't go out and make cooking call it an order.
They can be patented.
Because it's like somebody else's recipe, so you can't like go out and sell it because it's not yours.
It's someone else's name.
Yeah, you can't sell it under your own name.
You can tweak
But
it though and make it ours.
recipes can't be trademarked, but they can be patented. That's why, like, Coke, they have their own secret formula. They never patented it because it would require...
What's
disclosure.
patent mean?
Oh.
It means they file it with the Library of Congress and say, this is ours. Specifically, this is ours. No one else can do it this way. We own this way of doing it.
Do you guys ever learn stuff when you watch this show? Like, I learn something every time.
Coke never patented it because it would require them to disclose their formula. Same with KFC.
I was gonna say.
KFC never did either.
What about McDonald's?
I don't think
don't
they're.
think they
I
have
don't
a
think they
secret.
have anything secret.
About Taco Bell?
Their special sauce, but that's not even a secret.
How about Taco Bell?
Their
special sauce.
their special sauce is just like
It's basically Thousand Island dressing.
yeah,
Thousand Island
it's
dressing.
just Thousand Island and
Yeah.
yeah.
Ketchup.
It's nothing really special. It's just that's what they call it, special sauce.
Alright,
Came in
this is
tubes
starting to
called
get
Mac
hot.
sauce.
Huh?
Came in tubes called Mac sauce.
Yeah.
Max! Ah, Max!
No.
Mac
No,
sauce.
Big Mac.
Oh, Big Mac. Oh.
Yeah.
Mac, not Max. Duh.
Snapping out.
We're back! Again! Oh, wait, stop clapping.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to From Simmer to Sizzle. I'm Nikki, and this is Jacob. And today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a salad and a sandwich. But if you guys don't know how to do that already, it's kind of sad, but it's fine. It's going to be it's a fancy sandwich and a fancy salad. So y'all probably don't even know how to make it yet. But that's all right, because I'm going to show you how. Jacob's going to do most of the work, but I'm still here, so I'm doing most of it.
Okay. So what's the first step?
You got to get your bread.
What kind of bread?
Prosciutto. I mean...
That's cured ham.
Ciabatta. Ciabatta bread. We're going to get our ciabatta bread, which is what we have here. We toasted it up already. And then we're going to get our mayonnaise, lather on some mayo, and put some salami and a tomato.
Jake doesn't agree.
And it's done.
So here's what we're doing. It's called a summer sandwich. It's a pretty basic recipe. We're going to take some ciabatta bread, put some pesto on it. What?
Oh, take the list off. You gotta start over.
Oh, yeah, good. I wanted to start over, actually.
I thought that was good.
The whole show sucked anyway, so.
I thought it was good.
It's going well. Poor little Jake in his bed head.
And Jenny got something.
Do I have boogers in my nose?
No.
Okay, let's do it again.
Back to the battery.
Did we even cut?
No.
Okay.
Do you want me to?
No.
Punch it, Marge!
What kind of bear has no teeth?
I know the answer.
Don't say it.
I won't.
Let them say it. A gummy bear. Forgot I hate myself.
Wow.
Put it in the fridge.
Yeah,
No,
we'll come
what-
back to it.
Please.
I like this. We went to the store to find those cannon things, but the store was closed.
Yeah, Caduce is closed on Sundays.
But online,
Yes, it
it
is.
says it was opened.
No, it's online's probably always open, but it's always closed on Sunday ever since they opened.
So then we went to Walmart and we couldn't find any there either. So.
I've only used it once on it. What?
I used to have a horse named Mayo. Sometimes he would neigh. Neighs. My horse neighs. How do I say that?
Mayonnaise.
So I have a horse named Mayo, and he neighs.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Did you think of that one yourself?
No,
Okay.
I saw it on TikTok, but they probably said it differently than I did.
Talk about a bad joke.
There was another one, but I can't remember.
No, that's enough.
Take all of this out. Don't leave any of it. Yeah, leave it for our blooper reel.
Okay.
All of it.
Okay.
I don't trust him.
For our drinks, we're gonna do. Well, for yours, we're doing strawberry Julius, and for mine, it's a recipe from Death and Company, a famous cocktail bar. They call it the Julius Orange.
Death and Company?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the book's right over there.
And they call it Julius Orange?
Julius Orange.
Why do they have to be like that?
I don't know.
I don't like
Just
that.
a fancy cocktail.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Is that the Fort Collins bar?
Yeah, they're in Fort Collins, New York, and I think LA too.
I don't like that. So my drink is a strawberry orange Julius. He says it's just gonna be strawberries, but
There's no orange.
I'm gonna add a little orange to it later and see if it's any better.
Okay.
It might be good. You don't never know. Soft
Okay.
this thing up again.